Customer sales order reports. You can generate customer sales orders report from quick reports, or you can go to customers reports. From this menu you can select the sales order reports. There are few sales order reports: customer sales orders and customer sales order by customer. First we will discuss customer sales orders report. From this report you can select date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom dates, you can select particular date range. If you select all, system will display all date range sales orders report. You can select particular customer, range of customers. If you don't select any customer, system will display all customers sales order report. You can select customer category, range of customer categories. If you don't select any customer category, system will display all customer category details. You can select the customer status, active customers, inactive customers, or both customers. From document status you can select pending sales orders, invoice sales orders, or all sales orders. If you have foreign currency customers, you can use this use foreign currency checkbox. After that, click view report. From this report you can view date, delivery date, document number, customer reference, customer name, exclusive amount, VAT amount, total amount, and sales rate. You can view the grand total of these sales orders. From here you can view customer range, customer category range, and date range. If you want to change the report options, you can click this show report options button and you can change the options and refresh report. This report you can export to PDF, XLS, and CSV. If you want, you can print or email this report.